To change icons style in POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down to personalization, and then there's basically two options to customize your icons. First one is to simply enter icons, and here you'll be able to change the icon size, and you can also apply the colored icons as you can see right here. Alternatively, we can download the different icon themes, and let's do that right now. So you can go back to personalization page and select the themes right here. Now find the theme with icons that you like. You can even go for categories and categorize the theme that you want. In this case, we're gonna go, let's say, for not this one, because you will need to pay for it, this one also. So let's just select any free theme that we have, and then we need to download it. After your theme is downloaded, do not apply it instantly, as it will change everything on your device, and you only want to change the icons. So click on Customize button and unselect everything here, leave only icons. Then after applying it, you will see a different icons for your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.